Hey there, heart lovers! Welcome to Heart Powered, your go-to source for all things heart health. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest research, tips, and advice, all designed to keep your heart beating strong. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat on the latest heart health info. Today, we're going to explore an amazing biological process that's been making waves in the world of cardiovascular health. It's called autophagy, a natural process that our bodies use to clean out damaged cells, paving the way for the creation of newer, healthier ones. It's like your body's own recycling program, and it holds the potential to reverse heart disease. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Stick around as we delve into the power of autophagy, how it connects to heart disease, and how we can stimulate this process for a healthier heart. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Did you know you can reverse heart disease with a process called autophagy? Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's start at the beginning. The word autophagy originates from the Greek words auto, meaning self, and phagein, meaning to eat. So put simply, autophagy is the body's way of self-eating. But don't be alarmed, this isn't some horror movie plot. It's a biological survival mechanism that's been keeping us humans ticking for thousands of years. Autophagy is a natural process that our bodies use to clean out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer, healthier ones. It's like the body's own recycling program, breaking down unnecessary or dysfunctional components and using the resulting molecules for essential processes. This means the body can create energy and build new cells directly from the debris of the old ones. Pretty clever, right? But it's not just a clever trick, it's absolutely vital to human health. Autophagy helps to counteract the negative effects of aging and fights against diseases like cancer, neurodegeneration, infections, and yes, even heart disease. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does a process that's all about cell destruction help my heart? Well, the heart, just like any other organ, is made up of cells, and over time, these cells can become damaged. This damage can lead to a host of problems, including heart disease. Autophagy acts as a kind of biological quality control. It removes these damaged cells and replaces them with healthy new ones, keeping our hearts strong and healthy. This process is especially important in the heart, where cells are constantly under stress and have a limited ability to regenerate. In fact, recent research suggests that enhancing autophagy may hold the key to treating and even reversing heart disease. This is a game changer in the world of cardiovascular health. So, now that we know what autophagy is, let's dive into how it helps reverse heart disease. Ever wondered how autophagy can help reverse heart disease? Well, it's all about the cleanup. In the world of cell biology, autophagy is the secret cleaning crew. It's the process where your cells tidy up, breaking down and recycling their own components. But what does this have to do with heart disease? Quite a lot, as it turns out. Heart disease, you see, often results from damaged and unhealthy heart cells. These cells can become a problem when they're not functioning as they should, leading to heart disease. This is where autophagy comes in. Acting like a cellular recycling service, autophagy clears out these damaged cells, breaking them down and using their components to create new, healthy cells. But here's the kicker. Just like a recycling service, autophagy isn't always on duty. In fact, our modern lifestyles often put this process on hold, leaving those damaged cells to accumulate. This lack of autophagy can, in turn, increase the risk of heart disease. You can think of it like a city without a garbage collection service. If the trash isn't regularly taken away, it starts to pile up, creating a mess and causing all sorts of problems. In the same way, when autophagy isn't doing its job, damaged cells begin to accumulate in the heart, and this could lead to heart disease. But it's not all doom and gloom. By understanding the relationship between autophagy and heart disease, we can take steps to stimulate this process, helping to keep our hearts healthy and strong. So you see, autophagy isn't just about cleaning up, it's about creating a healthier, happier heart. And who doesn't want that? Now that we've seen the connection, it's time to understand how we can stimulate this process. Ready to give your body a little nudge to start the cleanup? Here's how. To stimulate autophagy, your body's own recycling system, you don't need to resort to any fancy medications or surgeries. Instead, you can employ a few natural methods that not only promote autophagy, but also offer a host of other health benefits. Firstly, let's talk about intermittent fasting. This is not about starving yourself, but rather controlling when you eat. It's about cycling between periods of eating and fasting. When you fast, your body runs out of its favorite energy source, glucose, and starts burning fat for fuel instead. This metabolic switch not only aids in weight loss but also stimulates autophagy, helping your body to clean up damaged cells and regenerate newer, healthier ones. Next up is regular exercise. Sweat it out, folks. When you engage in physical activity, especially high-intensity workouts, you cause a little bit of stress to your cells. Now don't worry, this is a good kind of stress. It prompts your body to start autophagy, cleaning up the damaged cells and proteins accumulated during the workout. So not only are you getting fitter and stronger, but you're also helping your body become healthier at a cellular level. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of a healthy diet. Consuming nutrient-rich foods, especially those high in antioxidants, can stimulate autophagy. Foods like berries, nuts, and leafy greens are packed with antioxidants that help fight off oxidative stress in your cells, promoting autophagy. Remember, these methods are not just about stimulating autophagy. They also help maintain overall health, from improving your heart health to boosting your immunity and even enhancing your mood. So it's a win-win situation all around. But what if we told you there's a way to track your autophagy levels? Intrigued? Let's find out. Like any process, it's important to monitor autophagy. But how can you do that? Well, let's dive in and find out. Autophagy is a natural process that our bodies use to cleanse and renew cells. But how do we know if it's happening? One way to track autophagy is through observing certain symptoms. These can include increased energy, mental clarity, and weight loss. However, these symptoms are not exclusive to autophagy and can be a result of various other factors. So let's move on to a more reliable method of tracking autophagy, which involves blood tests. Certain biomarkers like glucose, ketones, and insulin levels can give us a hint about the state of autophagy in our bodies. For instance, when we're in a state of autophagy, our glucose levels tend to drop, while ketones increase. But remember, these are just indicators. They don't provide definitive proof of autophagy. In today's tech-savvy world, we even have mobile apps that can help track autophagy. These apps use algorithms based on your food intake, fasting periods, and exercise to estimate when you might be in a state of autophagy. It's like having a personal autophagy tracker right in your pocket. But again, while these apps can be handy, they are not infallible. They provide estimates, not certainties. It's crucial to understand that while these methods can provide indicators, none of them offer definitive proof of autophagy. Our bodies are complex systems, and autophagy is a process that happens at the cellular level, making it challenging to monitor accurately outside a laboratory setting. That's why it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. They can help you understand these indicators better and guide you on your journey to better health through autophagy. A healthcare professional can also help you avoid any potential risks or side effects associated with pushing your body into a state of autophagy. So tracking autophagy is easier than you thought, right? Now let's wrap it all up. Autophagy, a process your body does naturally, can be a powerful tool in reversing heart disease. Isn't that fascinating? So what have we learned today? We've discovered that our bodies hold a secret weapon for heart health, and it's called autophagy. This incredible process, where our cells clean house and recycle their own components, can be a game changer in the fight against heart disease. Autophagy is like an internal recycling program, where our cells break down their worn-out parts and use them to build new, healthier ones. It's all about self-renewal and rejuvenation, and it's happening inside us all the time. We've seen how autophagy plays a vital role in keeping our hearts in top shape. It's like a personal trainer for our heart cells, helping them stay fit, strong, and resilient. When autophagy is working well, it can help reverse the damage caused by heart disease and even prevent it from taking hold in the first place. We've also explored ways to stimulate autophagy. From intermittent fasting to regular exercise and even certain foods, there are many ways we can give this process a boost. It's all about lifestyle choices, folks. The power to enhance autophagy and improve heart health is in our hands. But how will we know if our efforts are paying off? Remember, we talked about tracking autophagy too. While it's not something we can see or feel, researchers are working on ways to measure autophagy activity. So in the future, we may be able to monitor our autophagy levels just as easily as we check our heart rate or blood pressure. In a nutshell, autophagy is our heart's new best friend. It's a natural process that has the potential to revolutionize how we approach heart health. So the next time you hear about autophagy, remember, it's not just a fancy word, it's a process that could potentially save your heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found this information as exciting and empowering as we have. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about heart health, do us a favor and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest heart-healthy tips and insights. Remember, the power to enhance autophagy and improve heart health is in our hands. It's all about making smart lifestyle choices and taking proactive steps towards better health. So let's stay informed and stay motivated. Remember, your heart is in your hands. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Until next time, stay heart-powered.